Hey guys, this is my first mukbang video here on YouTube, and I would like to give mukbang a chance in my life. I heard from someone it's very popular in some Asian countries, so I just try out. I just like to give it a go. So I got some McDonald's, a 1955 burger with some curly fries without sauce, which I regret now because I wouldn't mind to have some sour cream or maybe some mustard sauce. So, but it's very delicious. So what you guys up to? So good, so delicious. Because of Corona, you know, everything is closed. Sorry. Because of Corona, everything is closed, but at least the drive-through is open, which I really admire. Here in my city in Germany, not so many McDonald's, especially the drive-ins, they're open, but luckily a little bit here in the outer skirts of my city, in the hinterlands of my city, it is open on a Sunday evening, which is very, very helpful and great because, yeah. It's just really helpful when you're hungry. You don't want to cook at home. You're a bit lazy to cook. You feel a bit like junk food, you know. So, I mean, I got some curly fries, a burger, some nice Sprite. Sorry, lots of calories, but I love it. I will be always like. I'm a McDonald's supporter. I really like McDonald's. I know it's not the healthiest food, yes, but I kind of enjoy it so much. I just love it. So, and it seems to be popular. So lots of cars coming around here, going through the drive-in. And I'm not the only one who is thinking on a Sunday evening to have some McDonald's for dinner. And I can actually also here enjoy, it's not the best view, but I can enjoy a nice sunset while enjoying my fries. So I'm looking forward for the burger. I haven't eaten this 1955 burger for McDonald's. So my favorite is actually the Big Tasty Bacon. I really like the Big Tasty Bacon with the minced beef, you know, with a bacon on top, the lettuce, tomatoes, a bit of cucumber, I think, or is it the I'm not sure, cucumber or the gherkins. I'm not very sure, but I really like the Big Tasty Bacon. I'm a very big fan of Big Tasty Bacon. But sometimes you have to try to eat something new. Or even sometimes, when I decide I want to have some McDonald's, but not something expensive, I go for like the McDouble chili cheese, or just the I think there's the McDouble. Is it the McDouble chili cheese? No, the McDouble cheese, I think. I mean, I don't know all the burgers by heart, so yeah. So what do you guys love about McDonald's? What's going on here? Lots of cars coming in, someone's speaking with this. Anyway, so yeah, let me put mine up later, do you see me? Cool. So, these are the curly fries. I just showed them on the camera. They're just great. They're really great. So, oh my goodness. It's so delicious. These fried potatoes. So good. I think they did a good job on these curly fries here. And yeah, as I said before, it's great. in times of Corona where you actually can't go in any restaurants, then at least you can go to McDonald's, to the drive-in, and get your food. Oh my god, I got some sour cream. I totally forgot. Oh my god. I totally forgot there was sour cream inside. Oh my goodness. I mean, I have a couple of in here. Oh, so nice. Here, look at that. Look at that. Whoa. So good. Well, it's okay. I mean, I'm not a super fan of the sour cream sauce. And it is fine that I can, yeah. The fries were also very tasteful and delicious without the sauce. So this is a burger. It's a burger and I can see it. So this is the 1955 burger with some, I reckon, some beef, minced beef, some lettuce. Seems to be some mustard sauce, onions, and tomatoes. So I give it a go to eat it. And some bacon, actually. I see some bacon on the ground. It's not so bad. It's pretty good. I like it. Very delicious. I think the beef is pretty cooked through. Yeah. So nice. Sorry guys. The burger is fantastic. The minced meat is well done, so it's not bloody. It's well done. But I think they always do it well done at McDonald's. I think they can't have they never can do it bloody because otherwise, you know, if someone gets food poisonous or if I think it's probably a standard regulation to have a well done meat. Yeah, but I think from the packing it seems to be fine. I remember big tasty burgers. You took them in your hand and they were just falling apart. Like the bun was not in a good state. It was very fluffy, very it basically ripped apart, and the dough ripped apart. So I have to say I'm very happy about that burger because this is in a pretty good shape. Yeah, it's not so much packing, not so many ingredients. So as I said, the big tasty bacon, it was so much that you couldn't hold it and then it fell apart. And that was always a pity because I'm a big fan of that burger, but my hands were totally smeary and dirty afterwards, you know. So yeah. It is pretty good. It's a pretty good burger. So, yeah. So, sometimes in general, I like to enjoy coming here on my own, getting a couple of burgers from McDonald's, eating them in my car, and then continue a drive. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys. Sorry for that the car light switched off. Ah. I'm going to finish in front of you. Sure. And then I will probably be finished with the video also soon. Oh man, I don't have any tissues. Sorry guys. Ah, there's actually something down here, that's good. I love it. So good. I'm so sorry, but this is great food. I really enjoy that. I know in this world there are people who love McDonald's, and there are people who like hate it because of the food, because of junk food. It's totally understandable. It's probably not the most healthiest food in the world. It's correct. It's true. I have to admit that. But I personally love it, and I probably would never ever give it up. I wouldn't say that I'm addicted to it. No way, because I also eat other foods in my life. I also prefer other cuisines in my life. Let's say Italian. Let's say Asian. I like Thai food a lot. I like sushi a lot. But I'm a big burger fan, and that's why McDonald's is just the perfect combination if you want to have a burger. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked my video. Oh my god, I hope I'm fine. Sorry. I hope you liked the video. This is my first mukbang video here on YouTube. If you liked that video, sorry. If you liked that video, give it a thumb up and subscribe my channel, please. I'm going to make more videos. And I keep on doing it. Oh, and I enjoy it very much. So thank you and have a lovely evening. Bye bye.